24th February 2023 is around 2:45 p.m. Very noisy traffic, and I'm at the DAMBAI bridge with that sign, Sabah, MAJU, JAYA. Yeah, maju sikit lah. Okay, let's zoom to this DAMBAI bridge, which was completed a few years ago. And along where I'm looking for here is an expansion joint of a bridge. Okay, every bridge will have an expansion joint, and along the expansion joint here, you see another pothole is forming. Why is that? Then another one there, and the vehicle will always spoil the alignment or jarring, or especially small cars, produas, kancil, always have either the wheel alignment or axle spoiled because of this continuously forming potholes. And every time the pothole forms up, the concessionary go and patch it up with like that, patch it with some bitumen. Now this is a case of a design, an expansion joint using bitumen mix or pre-mix. So cheaper. I've talked to a lot of JAYA engineers, and there's lots and lots of expansion joint thing you can install. But here in Sabah, you use pre-mix to cover the expansion joint of a bridge. There's the end of a bridge, and you will have expansion joint there right through to the other end, and so would be the other end. You find potholes there also. Now, how does the potholes form? Every day this bridge will expand and contract by at least 20 millimeter. 20 millimeter is almost an inch. It's a big hole. And can you imagine the premix being stretched and compressed and stretched and being compressed every day, once a day, every 24 hours. When the sun is hot, it expands and the gap closes. At night when it's cold, there will be a gap here by 20 millimeters. And bits of those premix will be falling down below the bridge. And eventually, a pothole forms just like that one day. So when it grows larger, maybe you consider concessionaire will come and fill it up. They don't fill it up when it's small. And that size of pothole is causing damages to small wheel and the axle and the alignment. Don't you people know? So irritating. And this is what taxpayers is paying for. All the road tax and the taxes and what? Just for creating artificial potholes at the expansion bridge, at the expansion joint of a bridge. After this video, I will show samples of how other countries build expansion joint as taught to me by a senior JKR engineer anyway. Okay, so I'll end up this game. Let's go back to your Sabah, MAJU, JAYA. What a shame. Call the ostrich lah. Stick your head into the sand.